Okay, in example 2, we have 3 equations and 3 variables. So our goal here is try to get down to 2 equations with the same 2 variables. So first, let's look at our x's. Does it look like it's easy to get rid of the x's? Okay, doesn't look like it's easy to get rid of x's. I've got a 3, a 6, a 9. I guess it's not terrible, but there might be a better choice. Okay. Looking at the y's, looks like I've got 2y, 4y, and negative 2y. That looks pretty good, because I got a 2y and a negative 2y. But then if I look at my z's, oh, look at that. That looks pretty good there. I've got 2z, negative 2z, and 2z. So let's go ahead and let's number these. This is 1, 2, and 3. Okay. And looks like we could probably start by combining equations 1 and 2 together. So let's try 1 and 2. If we take 1 and 2 and we rewrite this, we get 3x plus 2y plus 2z equals 4, and negative 6x plus 4y minus 2z equals negative 9. Okay. If we combine these together, let's see what we get. This gets you negative 3x. This gets us 6y's. Those cancel, and this equals negative 5. Okay? So now I'm down to an equation with x and y. Well, now I need another equation with x and y. Well, how else could I get rid of z? Again, I got to get rid of z. Well, let's combine 2 and 3 together, because it looks like those will cancel. So 2 and 3. So we've got negative 6x plus 4y minus 2z equals negative 9. And we've got 9x minus 2y plus 2z equals 10. And now, if we add those together, this gets us 3x, this gets us 2y, those cancel, and this equals 1. Okay. Well, now I have an equation with x and y here, an equation with x and y here. So if I call this equation 4 and call this equation 5, look what happens. If you combine 4 and 5 together, 4 and 5, you got negative 3x plus 6y equals negative 5. And you got 3x plus 2y equals 1. Hey, does anything cancel? Yeah, look at that. The x's cancel. How many y's do we got? We got 8y. What's 8y equal? It equals negative 4. Okay. So now we divide. We have to divide by 8. So y equals negative 4/8, which equals negative 1/2. Okay. So we know y equals negative 1/2. Okay. So now we need to find out what our other variables are. So we have equation 4 and 5 here. We can plug in the 4 or 5. And if you notice, y is a negative 1/2, and our y values here have even numbers, so that's going to work out nice. Let's use number 5. Let's plug in the equation 5 here, which is the same right there. So this is 3x plus 2 times negative 1/2 equals 1. Okay. So this is 3x. Half of 2 is 1, but positive and negative gets you negative, so this is negative 1 equals 1. So 3x equals, add the 1, you get 2. So then x equals, divide by 3, you get 2/3. So it looks like x is 2/3. And now we just need to find our last variable, and we can find our last variable by plugging into one of the original 3 equations. And we can pick out any one we want. That first one was probably the easiest one to plug into. So let's go ahead and plug into that first equation, if I can keep that in the window here. So equation 1, this is 3 times x, and x is 2/3, plus 2 times y, and y is negative 1/2, plus 2z equals 4. So let's go ahead and simplify that. 2/3 of 3, the 3's are going to cancel there because this is in the numerator, this is in the denominator, so those cancel, so that leaves you with 2. Here the 2's cancel, and that leaves you with minus 1, plus 2z equals 4. So this is 2 minus 1, which is 1, plus 2z equals 4. Subtract the 1, 2z equals 3, or z equals 3/2. So there's your value of z. Z equals 3/2.